In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Word document single-spaced in Microsoft Word. Adjusting line spacing is one of the most common formatting tasks, especially when you are preparing school papers, reports, or professional documents that need a clean and compact layout. Using single spacing helps you fit more content on each page while keeping your document easy to read. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and select the text you want to change. If you want the entire document to be single-spaced, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything. Once your text is highlighted, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and look for the Paragraph section. In this area, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. A menu will appear showing different spacing options. Choose 1.0, which represents single spacing. Word will immediately adjust the spacing between your lines, giving your document a more compact appearance. If you notice extra space between paragraphs, click the same Line and Paragraph Spacing button again and choose Remove Space After Paragraph. This ensures that your document truly looks single-spaced and not uneven. You can also open the Paragraph dialog box by clicking the small arrow in the corner of the Paragraph section. In that window, set the line spacing option to single and confirm that the before and after spacing values are set to 0. After applying these changes, scroll through your document to check the layout. Sometimes adjusting spacing can move text to a new page or affect headings, so take a moment to review everything. Proper spacing makes your document look neat, organized, and professional. Single spacing is often required for resumes, forms, and certain reports, so knowing how to adjust it quickly can save you time and effort whenever you format a document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.